How to add baggage in the AirAsia app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add baggage in the AirAsia app. First, navigate to your AirPass website on your browser. Now click on the sign in option shown at the top right corner. Next, enter your email address in the given box. Here, you can scroll down to visit the website. After that, click Help shown at the top to seek the solution. Then, select the Add Baggage option here. Now, enter your email address and AirPass code. In this way, you'll be able to add baggage in the AirAsia app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.